Hey guys, this is Dr. Ahmed Ergin. I'm an endocrinologist. I'm a diabetes educator. Today I'm going to talk to you about oatmeal. Can you have oatmeal if you have diabetes?
Greetings from Magtetzner, greetings from Germany. I'm a type 2 diabetic. I'm saying hi right now because this is my YouTube channel, but I promise that the video that you just started watching will resume in just a moment. That video is not by me, but I do have the rights to post it on my channel as long as I mention the creator and the channel. So to that channel, I want to say thank you so much for this common license video, and you will be mentioned in the description below so that everybody who is interested in that fantastic channel can go and check it out. So I want to say hi because I'm a type 2 diabetic. Like I said, this is my channel, this is me, on the 17th of June 2022, and I had just been diagnosed half a year ago. Again, the video will resume in a minute. I will need 2 minutes absolute maximum. I just wanted to say hi and share a few things. And then there is me on 26th of September 2023. Okay, I'm kind of even slimmer now. I know right now here the light is really bad, but you can see what this does. So I had a horrible surgery back then. I was in the hospital for several weeks, no, for several days, and then in a clinic for diabetics for multiple weeks. And in those clinics, you have to go and take classes. You learn all kinds of things. And I also found, because I got really scared, I had these throbbing and tingly feet and other problems, and it was just getting crazier and crazier. Also partnered with a licensed dietitian, and we put together something quite amazing. You can find that also in the description, also at spikecontrol.com. And now let's resume again with this really cool video, I feel. And yeah, so that's basically it. And I hope that you find what you're looking for. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, where there will be more coming soon. Greetings from Germany, and yeah, there you go. Take it easy. Thank you and goodbye.
Now, great question. Some people love it. Most people love it. Some people don't. But the question is sometimes that comes to me, hey doc, I'm eating oatmeal. They tell me that the oatmeal is good, but my blood sugar is still spiking. Why? So we'll discuss about that as well. And let's get started. Okay, so basically, oatmeals are fairly good if you want to have carbs in your breakfast. It's better than your white bread. It's better than your other pastries. So oatmeal is heart healthy. There are things in there, beta-glucans, etc., that helps your heart. The thing is, you need to understand how much carbs you're getting when you eat oatmeal. So 1 cup of cooked oatmeal is around 30 grams of carbs, right? So if you're allowed to have 30 grams of carbs, that's it. You cannot have anything else. And then if you start adding stuff on top of it, like other fruits and bananas and stuff like that, then you have to consider that as well, that you're actually multiplying those carbs together. So you're adding those carbs. So you may end up, instead of 30 grams only, you may end up total of 60 grams of carbs. So you have to be careful about that. Now, oatmeals are low glycemic index because they're absorbed slowly so that they do not necessarily spike your blood sugar quickly. Now, it will spike your blood sugar. It's just not as quick. I mean, that's a good thing, because if you're taking medications, they sometimes take time to get into your blood. And if your blood sugar spikes so fast before medications kick in, and that will be a problem, right? And then, if your blood sugar is going up very fast, of course, that's going to spike higher. But if it is more like a gradual increase, then you're not going to peak as much in your blood sugars. So glycemic index of the oatmeals are good. It's below 55. Now, not every oatmeal is the same. You have to really understand that. Now, the best thing you can have is a steel-cut oatmeal, which takes almost 30 minutes to cook. My best suggestion for that would be an Instapot or something that's pressure cook that can get it cooked like like within less than 5 minutes. It's not going to be 1 minute like the instant oatmeal, which probably most people do, especially if you're working and trying to get to work. That instant oatmeal, although they keep the nutritional value, but they lose all their fibers because they're heavily processed. So I would stay away from anything that's instant, and I would take time to get these steel cut oatmeals going if you really want to have your carbs. Again, you can use steel cut oatmeal instead of a potato at breakfast, which is very high in glycemic index, instead of a white bread, which is very high in glycemic index. Oatmeal is still very good for you as long as you know what's going on. Now, also, now you know how much carbohydrates you are getting from the oatmeal, but also you need to understand your body. Some people in the morning, especially, they are very, very insulin resistant. Some people will just have a coffee and their blood sugar will spike even with the black coffee. So as a result, you may want to check your blood sugars after meals, after you have that oatmeal. If your blood sugar is spiking with the oatmeal, that means that you're either not taking enough medication for breakfast, or you're very insulin resistant, and maybe it would have helped if you exercised the night before or the day before. So actually you have to pay attention to that. If you're type 1, that's a different story. Type 1 diabetics will know exactly how much insulin to take. That's not a bad idea actually for them to eat that oatmeal and then just take whatever they need to take, because they're on insulin and they know exactly how much to take. Some type 2 diabetics are insulin. They also do the same thing, but they are more insulin resistant typically than type 1 diabetics, and their blood sugar will spike way higher sometimes compared to a type 1 diabetic. So again, guys, so it's not just about the food you're eating, how much you're eating, what is the glycemic index of that food, what medications are you on, and how insulin resistant you are. These are the things you have to consider before you are blaming any food or yourself. Don't blame anybody, just find a way to get it going. If the oatmeal is spiking your blood sugar too much and you have nothing else to do, then just avoid the oatmeal. As simple as that. I know it's not the most easy thing to say, or easier said than done, but that's what it is. So you can always be creative and find ways to prevent these blood sugar spikes, and we can help you for that as well. Just remember that, and we will see you in the next video. Remember to share, remember to give a thumbs up, guys. See you later.